Let's move on to another story we're tracking closely this morning. I'm sure you've read a number of reports suggesting that there could be a power blackout very soon across the country because of a shortage of coal reserves. Well, this is something that the centre has taken note of, particularly because some states have also said that they're running out of coal supply. You had, in fact, Union Home Minister Amit Shah holding a meeting yesterday with Power Minister R.K. Singh as well as Coal Minister Pralhad Joshi. The three ministers discussed the availability of coal to power plants and the current power demands. The meeting came in the wake of several states warning of a possible blackout due to a shortage of coal supply to power plants, even though the central government has repeatedly assured that India has ample coal stock to meet the necessary demand. Chief ministers of Delhi, of Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh had written to the Prime Minister flagging this issue of a shortage of coal supply. Now, according to the data, the power consumption of 3,900 MU on October 8th was the highest this month so far, from October 1st to 9th, which also became a cause of concern during this ongoing coal shortage. Let's take this across now to Shreya Chatterjee. She's joining us live from Delhi with more details on this. Shreya, good morning. The centre maintains at this point that there's no shortage whatsoever of coal supply, that they've got ample stock currently. What's the situation on the ground? Because, you know, you've got so many states, including BJP-ruled states, saying that we're running out.
Well, absolutely so. You know, so far as BJP-ruled states are concerned, Uttar Pradesh, certain rural areas have also seen increased rostering where power cuts happened in places is what we have learned so far. But as the centre has been reassuring that the coal supply will be replenished. Now, the earlier time, what used to happen, that there used to be a buffer stock of at least 17 days ahead. However, this time, due to the shortage of coal supply, that went down to 4.5 days. Now that will be replenished. That has been said both by the coal ministry as well as by the power ministry. And yesterday after the meeting, what we've learned, that there was a roadmap that was chalked to ensure that at a speedy manner, the coal plants, especially the non-pithead plants, they get their stocks as soon as possible. And that what we're learning is on its way. So definitely there's a reassurance that there will be no problem and there will be no blackout. However, it's also true that certain states and certain rural areas did indeed face increased rosterings, and there were power cuts that were ongoing.
All right, Shreya, this is a story we'll track closely because, you know, there is a lot of concern that in the coming days we could see some sort of a blackout. The centre maintaining nothing of that sort is going to happen. Thanks, Shreya, for joining us with those details this morning.